what else can I add to what the Chancellor has already said? But just one point, and I want to stress this: the Beta Theatrum will be the hub of cultural activities. I can see could be the hub of cultural activities on campus because we are developing this quadrant with the UP Theater, the Carilon, the Bulwagan ng Dangal, the Beta Theatrum, and hopefully also the amphitheater here, which is the commencement grounds of the university, into an active converging space for cultural activities that will not only be a one-shot deal but year-round. Of course, it's a gargantuan task assigned. We hope to deliver the goods as the months progress. While we are having today a soft launch of the facilities of the Beta Theatrum and the refurbished lagoon, our official and formal launch of this facility will happen on the birthday of the university, which will be on June 18. There will be a grand concert here, complete with all the dancing lights. I have initially discussed with the Chancellor, and I think he will generously support the concert, and that will be from 6 to about 8 p.m. wherein we will be featuring 2 or 3 campus performing groups. We don't know yet, I don't want to announce yet who these performing groups are, but definitely it will be a cultural event that will fittingly cap our commemoration of the Foundation Day of the University. You will also, if you are here every Sunday on campus, there is a tradition in the university that every February we have a Sunday concert in this area. And we